Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through the well status tab in Novi Insight Engine. This tab allows you to track well lifecycle activity, from permits and drilling to completions and production, using interactive charts. So I'm over here in this well status tab. We have two charts. We have a column chart and a bar chart. At the top is our column chart, which visualizes lifecycle activity over time across selected wells. I'm going to go ahead and enter full screen. So our y-axis, we have a drop down right here, and that's allowing you to monitor key metrics such as permit approved, permit submitted, expired, when wells are spud or completed, when they come on, that's first production, and when they're plugged. You can break down activity by a wide range of categories, including basin, things like state, operator, formation, or even well status. So that's going to control what you're seeing in this legend right here. You can click on those to highlight those individual sections of the bars. And that's also going to highlight those wells in your map view. Our x-axis is controlling time, and you have the option to look at yearly, monthly, weekly, or even daily. If we look at yearly, you can see how that breakdown changes. By hovering over these bars, you can see exactly how many wells are in each category. All right, and the column charts includes familiar tools in the upper right corner, slider bars to let you dial in custom axis ranges, as well as our chart settings, which allows you to download a CSV, screenshot the chart, or control your chart settings, such as dialing in your axis values, turning on and off options in your chart. So that's our column chart. Below it is our bar chart. We'll turn that on to full screen as well. This is showing the well status current, which provides a snapshot of current well status distribution. So the y-axis is displaying your selected grouping, such as basin. You can also turn it on by formation, well status, operator, state. The x-axis is showing those total well counts, and that's also able to show you which well life cycle metric you want to look at, whether it's active, completed, permit approved, permit submitted, permit canceled, or even abandoned and plugged and abandoned. Again, you have those same chart options at the top right corner, turning on and off sliders, controlling chart settings. And that's a quick overview of the well status tab. This tab is a powerful way to track well activity, understand life cycle progression, and monitor operational momentum across your basin. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon.